Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to give you a ride along and review of the Moving Life Atto Folding Mobility Scooter. This is an awesome folding mobility scooter, and I will throw the specs on the screen for just a moment. You can pause and go back at any time if you want to get familiar with all the specifications, or click on the link at the top right hand corner to shop online, view specifications, and more at mobilitydirect.com. We offer it for sale tax-free, and shipping is free as well. Now, what makes this model unique is that it folds up into the shape of a suitcase. It's TSA friendly and quite possibly one of the most airline friendly mobility scooters on the market. Depending on the airline that you use, you can actually stow this in the overhead storage compartment, although it is a little bit heavy. I'm going to go over the good, the bad, and the ugly, not just tell you what makes it good, give you the pros and the cons. This is going to be an honest review and ride along video. Now, before we get any further in this video, I do need to tell you about our free product catalog. It's got our latest products, discount codes, and more. If you want a copy, go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You can also call our non-commissioned sales experts, give them your address, and they'll process the request for you, or click on the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says Get Free Catalog. Keep in mind, we have several locations, so if you have a question, come on by one of our stores, or again, call our sales line with the number below. We'd love to earn your business. Now let's get back to the video.
It's Richard from Mobility Direct. Got my hands on the Moving Life Atto. This is a mobility scooter that folds up in a suitcase. It's really neat. This scooter won't be for everybody just because of the way it folds and how it is. But I have to say, this is one of the coolest scooters I've ever ridden or used. Very different design, very compact. Give me a call at 866-935-1069 if you want to talk, or if you want to purchase one, or visit mobilitydirect.com. Again, this is a different type of scooter. Wow, it's responsive, I'll give you that much. You can feel the speed, I bet, with one wheel in the front. It's very maneuverable. Yeah. Very maneuverable for a folding scooter. It's got a long frame. Like the wheels stick out behind me. And it's really fun to ride. You got no delta tiller. It looks like everything's done on the right hand here. So you got your throttle here, this forward and reverse button. Yeah, horn speed up and down. And you have like a four-wheeler or a jet ski type of throttle. It's a little thumb throttle. You push down. It's pretty neat. The scooter is making a little bit of noises from the front. It is a front-wheel drive hub motor with the 265-pound weight capacity on this scooter, which is pretty good. To be honest, the seat's not comfortable at all. There's no padding on it. It's like rubber. There's no padding. Like I said, this scooter is not for everybody, but it's really neat. Got a lot of foot area down here. You're going to see in the video that it folds up really neat on itself. Pretty maneuverable. Pretty. It's got a good turning radius. What I don't like is that they don't have a delta tiller on this, where you can forward and reverse with either hand. USB charging port right here, which is really cool. It's a sleek-looking scooter, I won't lie. It's a very slick-looking scooter. Very neat. It took me a little bit to figure out how to fold it. Let's get the Walmart slalom here. Do the real test on maneuverability. It's not bad at all. No, I really like this little thing. So I just felt the scooter slow itself down as I went down, the little incline there. That was pretty cool feature. Don't gain too much speed. Now, let's take a look down here. I have so much footroom down here. This is rather neat. I mean, I can dance down here. It's not like that on my other folding scooters. I could tell you that for sure. Now, don't forget, if you want to purchase one of these scooters, free shipping tax, free inside the USA. Give us a call at 866-A-935-1069 or visit mobilitydirect.com. So I'll say the strong points I think on this scooter are going to be, it's really neat. I mean, it's not like any other scooter I've ever tested. It's really cool. It folds itself into its own suitcase. You have armrests that you can fold out, and the scooter comes apart into two pieces to make it easier to transport. The downside is, it's a little limited on the tiller, with the controls on one finger. And it's a little complicated to fold, like it's not the easiest scooter to fold. There's multiple steps to it. But all in all, it's a really good scooter. I like it, you? Be bothering me. Well, that's going to conclude this ride along. Sorry, it was in longer. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and like this video if you found it informative.
Now, as you can see, the Atto Moving Life has a superior ground clearance. It's tall enough to go on grass, and it has a really good turning radius. Powerful front hub motor. Overall, this is a pretty versatile model. I would recommend it if you need something with plenty of ground clearance and that's foldable and lightweight so that you can go on grass and use it indoors. Again, it's super versatile. Overall, I just love the design of it. It looks very modern, kind of like one of those new fancy electric cars. So this is a brand new unit that we got here for one of our local customers, and we're super excited to have been able to review it and give you this review video. Because it is a three-wheel unit, you're going to have tons of foot space. So if you're a tall person, I think this is going to be the best model that folds for taller folks because you've got so much legroom. That foot deck, the foot platform, is probably the longest foot platform out of any folding model we have. So again, great for tall people, people with big feet, big shoes. There are tons of accessories, which I'm throwing on the screen for a moment, that you can choose when you're checking out on our website. And I will tell you that it's one of the few folding models that comes with hideaway armrests for free. And I'm going to show you the folding process. It's pretty straightforward. Fold down the seat, fold down the backrest, and then you can lock all that into place so that it doesn't go anywhere. You'll have to unlock the tiller so that it can tilt, and then grab it by the handle on the middle of the foot platform area. And then you could lower the handlebar, aka the tiller assembly, which is basically where you put your hands to control it. And then you can also fold the top part of that tiller assembly down. You can also hide away the handlebars, which is a unique feature that not many other folding models have. I'm pretty sure none of them have that feature. And here we are, we're going to show you how to unfold it. And that's going to pretty much wrap up the video. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you want to see a more in-depth review, an unboxing video, we have them on our YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the top right-hand corner to view the playlist where you can see all the videos that we have for this model. We also have comparison videos of other folding models, so check them out. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.